Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can jailbreak your iPhone X on WinRAM without having a bootable USB or any other thing. Just simply download WinRAM on your PC and connect your iPhone, and I will show you how you can jailbreak it. So I just connected my phone and clicked next, and now you can see my device is in recovery mode. So now from here you have to boot your device into DFU mode. To do this, you have to hold the side button and the volume down key, and just leave the side button after 5 seconds, but keep holding the volume down key until your device successfully boots into recovery mode. Okay guys, so now from here you can see our device is being jailbroken. It may take some time and maybe you can face some issues, but you can just fix all those issues by watching our other videos on our channel. So when you see please reconnect your device, you just have to re-plug the data cable into your phone, and that's it guys. There you can see my iPhone X is successfully being jailbroken. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.